More breaking news that's coming in right now. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has hinted at renaming Azamgarh. In fact, he has dropped this big hint to rename Azamgarh as Aryangarh during the foundation laying of a new university. In fact, he said that the university will help in Azamgarh turn into Aryangarh. Right, so a big hint which has been dropped by UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath about the renaming of Azamgarh district. Remember, Home Minister Amit Shah was in the district today. He has in fact dropped this big hint about renaming Azamgarh as Aryangarh during the foundation laying of a new university. He said that the university will help Azamgarh turn into Aryangarh. So this is the hint that UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has in fact dropped, that there is possibly on the cards a renaming of Azamgarh district as Aryangarh.
भाइयों बहनों, यह विश्वविद्यालय जो आज यहां पर जिसकी आधारशिला रखी जा रही है, यह विश्वविद्यालय आजमगढ़ को सचमुच आर्यमगढ़ बना ही देगा, इसमें अब कोई संदेह होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
My colleague Abhishek Mishra is now joining me live on this story. Abhishek, a big hint which has been dropped by the UP Chief Minister. Is this official? Is this something that's on the cards that Azamgarh could be renamed as Aryangarh?
Well, absolutely, Apollo. It's Aryangarh, and it looks like that with this announcement, the kind of reaction which is coming in now, that this is going to be the next district which will be renamed as Aryangarh. CM Yogi Adityanath has clearly said that with the kind of work the government is doing, this particular constituency, which belongs to SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav, has always been known about anti-social activities, terror hub, and all those kind of things. And if any youngster used to go to any big city to get even a hotel room, was rejected. So that kind of reaction which CM Yogi has picked up, and he has clearly said that with the university now coming in within a year, and all these works, be at the medical colleges or the Purvanchal Expressway, it's all gonna make Azamgarh into Aryangarh, which is a big thing. Already the BJP government has been suffering a lot of accusation by the opposition of just doing the politics of changing the name. But with this, it looks like that it is going to be a very important thing. It remains to be seen how Akhilesh Yadav will now react to it, because it is the home constituency. But it's quite clear that the next target for the CM Yogi is to rename this particular spot, which is Azamgarh, into Aryangarh. Yes.
Right. Abhishek, thank you so much for bringing us all of those details.